Again, good luck, everybody. Good luck. 58-17. Dice roll. Going 9 times on the dice. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Again, 9 here, 9 here. Eagles up top, the Buccaneers at the bottom. And 9 times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Again, 9 here, 9 here. Brian up top, Michael Niclario at the bottom. Let's sort them out. Mosaic Bird. Again, there's your squads. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. Here we go. And Mosaic Hobby. Good luck, good luck. Empty box. Pack 1. Got orange to start out. Dalvin Cook, Bijan Robinson on the debut rookie. Got orange of Justin Herbert to 199. Every to 199 for the Chargers. Shamari Connor silver and blue of Deshaun Watson for Cleveland. Deshaun is 19 out of 99. Again, we will random left right on the carbon copies. Connor silver rookie for Kansas City. Stephon Diggs, Mosaic of Jared Goff, Red Olave, McCaffrey, Tyreek Hill. Marvin Mims, we got blue of Teddy Bruschi. Little color match there for the Patriots. 56 out of 99. Teddy Bruschi. CD Lamb on the silver and a mastery Joe Montana. Jalen Hyatt, Mosaic of Dak Prescott. Jake Haener, Mosaic rookie. Deshaun Jackson, moments in time. And we got Mack and Pickett on the carbon copy. They're both backups. They're one and the same. First auto coming up. The Chargers, Austin Eckler to 199. Nice autograph there. For LA, Chargers going to Chris Bowen. Austin Eckler on the auto to 199. Got Mac Jones on the red. Okoye, CJ Stroud rookie intro. And Antonio Freeman, moments in time. And CJ Stroud on the rookie introductions for the Texans. CJ Stroud debut. We got Mike Evans, Herbie, Jordan Addison debut. Orange of Russ, Lamar Jackson. Russell Wilson to 199. And Addison on the debut, Mosaic rookie. and Stroud on the Mosaic debut rookie. Devon A-Chain. Got red of Tony Pollard, silver Cooper Kupp, Randy Moss, and Christian McCaffrey. 3 packs to go. Should have another auto. Good luck, everybody. We got Keenan Allen. Purple of Brian Urlacher for Chicago. 31 out of 49 on the Urlacher. Urlacher to 49. We got Kenny Pickett, straight fire Mosaic of Tua. JSN. Jason Taylor, Tyreek Stevenson, silver rookie, Allen and Herbert, Jalen Waddle. And Stevenson for the Bears on the silver. Last pack. Should have ink in it. Orange, we got Bengals or Browns. QJ for the Browns, Dorian Thompson Robinson. White auto to 25 for Cleveland. And Brian Markowitz. If you want to move it, Brian, let me know. DTR, a white auto. One off the jersey number 18 out of 25. Shaq Leonard, Mekhi Blackman, red rookie, Derrick Henry, silver montage. Do a quick recap here. And quick recap. Mekhi Blackman. Again, doing our best I can with the lighting I got right now, guys. DTR to 25. Stevenson, Urlacher to 49. Stroud, Addison. Russell Wilson, Stroud rookie intro. Eckler, Jake Haener, Brewski, Connor, Watson, and Herbert. Again, we got to random off some carbon copies. Other than that, that is the break. Appreciate the fill. We go left, right on these carbon copies. Good luck, good luck. Left, right, dice roll. We are going 3 times. We go 1, 2, and 3 to the right. They go 3 here and 3 right here. And that is the break, everybody. Appreciate the fill. And going to the right goes the Bills, Patriots, and Niners.